Raw potato juice for clear and flawless skin. Get glowing skin in 3 days. Did you know, potato is neither a vegetable nor a root and definitely does not belong to the fruit category. It is an underground stem which is widely used in cooking and in beauty regime. You can always have a relaxed afternoon munching those crispy spicy potatoes with some tomato ketchup to it. About potato, they are rich starch, are quite nutritious, which helps you to be healthy and also make your skin look glowing, and so are the benefits of its raw juice too. Let's check the different benefits of potato juice over face. Not only are potatoes excellent vegetables to eat, but they are virtually efficient skin doctors in their raw form. Raw potatoes are great for clear skin, and help with many skin problems. Raw potatoes are rich in minerals like potassium, sulfur, and phosphorus, and essentially these minerals are excellent for skin care. There is also the presence of vitamins and antioxidant compounds in raw potato juice, which helps improve the skin tone and has antibacterial properties. Also, the enzymes present in the pulp of raw potatoes are excellent for skin care. The peel of a raw potato is also known to be highly effective in combating skin problems. In many cases, it's recommended that you blend the raw potato with its skin and apply the paste to your face for better results. Here are various benefits of skin care that you can accrue from applying raw potatoes. It helps control and prevent acne, pimples and blackheads. It helps soothe the inflammation on skin wounds, burns and cuts. Its antibacterial property helps cure skin warts. Eye bags and dark eye skin can be treated effectively with grated raw potato. It helps clear the facial skin by cleansing the excess oil. So there you have it, all the benefits you can get from a raw potato. Why invest in costly skincare products? How to apply raw potato to your skin. Here are a few ways you can use potatoes to get the maximum benefits for your skin. For clear skin. The most common ways to work with raw potato, for clear skin, are as mentioned. Grate the raw potato pulp as finely as possible and apply it over your face as a mask. Leave it on for close to 15-20 minutes and wash it off with solution of water and vinegar. Blend 1 raw potato, with the skin, with a cucumber, with the skin, along with 1 egg yolk and a cup of yogurt. Make it into a fine paste and apply it as a face mask. Keep it on for 15-20 minutes before washing it off with warm water. To clear acne. Rub the raw potato slices on acne, pimples, burns or warts, so that the juice of the potato is spread across the affected area. Leave it to dry for 30 minutes, or even overnight. Tighten and firm skin. Get soft, supple skin and tighten pores using potato juice. Add 1 tablespoon of yogurt to half a tablespoon of potato juice, slather the mixture on clean face and wait for 15 minutes before you rinse off. To remove excess oil, dirt, bacteria from skin. Make a fine juice using raw potato, without skin. Keep the juice in the fridge for 30 minutes. Dip a washcloth in this juice and scrub your face clean with it. This is highly effective to remove excess oil, dirt and bacteria from your skin to leave it feeling fresh and vibrant. Many people have experienced beneficial effects of using raw potatoes for clear skin and for combating skin problems, so it's a proven cure. Please subscribe to our channel and also share it with your friends. Thank you. Don't forget to check out more videos that will appear shortly.